right, now we got race 3. We had George, he beat Luch, you guys saw that. We had Trevis, he beat Rebel Arts. Now go ahead and look at that fine wear that Trevis has got on. He's got his filter on. So you know, he's already preparing to be in the dust because George is a veteran out here. So anyways, let's get on with it.
Shall we? I never part of this.
There you have it. George first, Travis second, and, well, I don't know where that came from, but Luch is in third place. There we go. Doing his victory tail lap. All right, guys, we're back. And that was race 3. George won.
Of course, George won.
And Luch jumped in a little bit.
I tried because I saw some pathetic racing out there that I had to go in and do something about it. What do you think about that, George? How about that? You heard it from George himself. And now we got Trevis over here, who almost came in third. What do you think about that, Trevis?
Almost, but not quite.
Not quite, that's right. We had a hell of a time. Can I say hell of a time? Out here, didn't we, people?
Now you can ask Percy, what'd you think of it?
Oh, this was great, man. Once you get the throttle going and everything, those corners, they weren't even there, man.
We didn't even have corners. That Wankel seemed like it was nothing. Nothing.
Yep. So anyways, there you go, guys. We had a blast out here today. Wouldn't you say? You guys have fun. And, you know, we're going to go ahead and run these things again. We'll get back to you guys.
Time for round 2.
Let us know what you think. Let us know what you guys think we should do. Thanks for watching Luch Mob Garage.
Tell him to get rid of the chicken.
Yeah, we like the chicken. He's the chicken.
It's the chicken.
Peace.
The chicken.
Luch Mob. You rock.
Hey, people, check it out. We're out.